Here is my 2000-point Astra Militarum vs Dark Angels battle report. My list is pure infantry, all the way. I had to include some heavy weapon teams and field ordnance batteries to make up the points cost, because I was really scraping to find the numbers, so Commissar preserved me. This is close to 150 models on the tabletop. The list included 90 Death Corps models, 3 units with Psychers and Marshals, 30 Scions models, 1 unit with a Scion Command Squad, 1 6-man Agrin Squad, 1 3-man Bulgren Squad, 3 heavy weapon teams, 1 field ordnance battery with heavy loss cannon, 1 platoon command squad, 1 Krieg character as my warlord. Facing the Emperor's finest are the Dark Angels, as a Gladius task force. They have Azrael as a warlord, 2 lieutenants, 10 intercessors, 2 dreadnoughts, 2 repulsors, 6 inceptors, some company heroes, a desolation squad, and a hellblaster squad. The deployment was Dawn of War, mission rule chosen battlefield, primary vital ground. I went first and was defender. I started with Scions with their command squad and 20 Death Corps in reserve. The Dark Angels had 6 interceptors. Deployment was across the line. I had concentrated 3 objective markers in the ruins on the right of the battlefield due to the chosen battlefield rule, and knew my infantry would have an advantage over the Dark Angel vehicles. Guard pushed forward somewhat, and advanced or moved onto 2 objective markers, middle and far left. Some limited shooting with little to no effect due to Dark Angel hiding. Dark Angel move forward turn 1 and wipe out 2 heavy weapon squads, plus a few other odd Kriegers. I hesitated turn 1 to use reinforcements because I thought they may focus on a 20-man unit, but didn't, so I lost the opportunity. Turn 2 guard score 12 for primary. I continue to move forward and start eliminating infantry units, and focusing vehicles with my limited anti-tank weapons. We managed to do some good wounds onto the vehicles, but no eliminations, and take out a few of the smaller squads of Space Marines. Ugrans move up and mince a squad of Space Marines and are called out as a threat. Turn 2 Dark Angels, they only score 2 for primary. They call their advance and shoot rule, and move up the board quickly. They contest the far right objective marker and start to put some devastating fire with their indirect fire weapons on the back line. Not only that, but they mince the Agrin, but one manages to hang on. They also deep strike 3 inches onto my home objective marker, but don't manage to kill the squad defending it. Turn 3, guards score another 12 on primary, and manage to knock out a repulsor and a dreadnought. Scions deep strike near the Angels' home objective to attempt to kill Azrael and his squad, but have to use the 20-man Death Corps squad to reinforce the guard home objective. Some more key unit kills leave the Angels struggling in the attrition war, and the Guard are pulling ahead on both primary and secondary. Angel turn 3, only 2 on primary again, they use fallback and shoot. They eliminate the Scions threatening their home objective marker, which get reinforcements, and finally kill the Agrins. Attempting to start hitting the 20-man squads hard, the run into the 4+ Psyker and 1+5+ feel no pain combo in full effect. Spoilers, no 20-man Krieg unit is killed the entire game. They start to move their lone operative lieutenant towards the middle objective, but have lost most of their units on the far right objective. Guard turn 4, with close to 40-point lead, the Guard eliminates all but 5 units from the Angels. The lone operative attempt to move Shenanigan away from approaching Scions, and onto the center marker, just to have another Scion squad deep strike behind him. Angel turn 4, the Angels make a valiant final stand to eliminate as many Kriegers as they possibly can. Turn 5 Guard, the Guard move on to all but the home Dark Angel objective marker with OC 20+ on each one. They eliminate the final interceptor from the Guard home objective and use take cover on most of the army, to weather the storm of Dark Angel fury. The Angels, With only limited options, take shots at some more guardsmen, and the game ends 85-26, guard victory. Guard are at around 50% casualties, versus almost a full wipe for the Dark Angels. An impressive moment was a lost cannon failing to wound a Krieger. We like to think he used the body of a fallen comrade to absorb the cannon, letting nothing go to waste. The Angels did a good job of weakening, but not eliminating, a lot of the guard units, preventing a lot of key opportunity for reinforcements. However, with the +1 hit, +1 wound from the deathcore units, they become a little dangerous hovering around the half-strength mark. Thanks for watching.